Dorothy, would you like to dance with me?
Hey! Hello, everyone. Welcome to Dorothy's dance class. I'm Dorothy the dinosaur, and I hope you're ready to dance with a dinosaur, because I'm ready to dance with you. We're off among the clouds with our friends Brett and Larissa. Hey!
Thanks, Dorothy. Hi, everybody. Today, Dorothy's dance is called the aeroplane. Can you put your hand out to the side like this? Put your other hand out to the side like this. Now, if you bend down, we can take off in our aeroplane.
Can you roll down the runway and take off into the big blue sky? Now we're tilting our wings from side to side. Now can you glide over beautiful mountains?
Whoa!
And deep blue seas? Can you wave to the people down below? They're a long way down.
Hi!
Now get ready to come in for landing. Great job, everyone.
Come on, everybody. Let's do the aeroplane together.